Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Milani Fatimatu Zahra from Elementary School Teacher Education. Today, I would like to talk about local transportation, giving directions, and out of town transportation. Enjoy the video. Excuse me. Hi. Sorry to bother you. I'm a bit lost. Could you help me? Of course. What are you looking for? I am trying to find Alun-Alun Bandung. I heard it's a really popular spot here. Yes, definitely. It's one of the main attractions in the city. You're actually not too far from it. Are you walking or taking a ride? I'm walking. I've just been exploring Jalan Braga. It's such a cool street. It really is. Lots of history and old architecture. So, to get to Alun-Alun, just keep walking straight along this road. Alright? Straight on Braga? Yes. After about 5 minutes, you'll reach a big intersection, Jalan Asia Afrika. You'll see the Savoy Human Hotel on the corner. Oh, I think I passed that earlier. Perfect. So, once you're there, turn left onto Asia Afrika Street. Keep walking down that road. Okay, turn left on Asia Afrika, then what? Walk for about another 5 to 7 minutes. You'll pass the Museum of the Asian Africa Conference on your left. Just keep going straight until you see the Grand Mosque. The big mosque with the towers? Yes, that one. The big white mosque with 2 towers. Right in front of it is the Alun-Alun. It's a big open green space, usually full of families and street performers. That sounds great. Is it safe to walk there? Yes, it's very safe, especially during the day. Just be careful when crossing the streets. Traffic can be a bit hectic. Got it! Thank you so much for the detailed directions. You're welcome. Enjoy your time there. Don't forget to try the local street food near the mosque. Definitely. Thanks again. Bandung has been amazing so far. Glad to hear that. Have a great day. Hi, I'm staying near Jalan Braga and want to visit Alun-Alun Bandung. Could you tell me what transport option I have to get there? Sure. Actually, there are several ways to get from Braga to Alun-Alun Bandung. Since it's within the city, you can choose from walking, taking an angkot, or using an ojek. Oh, what's an angkot? An angkot is a shared minibus that runs along fixed routes. From Braga to Alun-Alun Bandung, you can take an angkot with the road code C or D. The fare is very cheap, around 3,000 to 5,000 Indonesian rupiah. So, less than half a dollar. That sounds affordable. How often do they run? They run pretty frequently during the day, probably every 10 to 15 minutes. And what about the ojek? I heard that's popular here. Yes, ojeks are very convenient, especially if you want to avoid traffic or don't want to wait. You can either find one on the street or use apps like Gojek or Grab. The price from Braga to Alun-Alun would be around 10,000 to 15,000 rupiah, and it only takes about 5 minutes. That's fast! Is walking a good option too? Definitely. The distance is only about 1.5 kilometers. Walking takes around 15 to 20 minutes. And it's a nice walk if you want to enjoy the city's vibe. Great! So, angkot is cheap but might take a bit longer. Ojek is faster but a bit pricier. And walking is free and healthy. Exactly. Also, if you're planning to visit other cities near Bandung, like Lembang or Ciwidey, you could take intercity buses or rent a car for more flexibility. Thanks for the information. I think I'll try the ojek this time. Good choice. Enjoy your visit to Alun-Alun Bandung.